So this came out so much better than I was hoping it would. The green stayed. It didn't bleed out too much. In just a second, I'm going to show you that if you could see it already, that pearl white in there. I love that. Up against the white. And there's the pistachio, those little lines of glitter, the dark. Oh, there's the white. The white, and then this is just the color passion white, and then the just resin white pearl. Look at that. That looks crazy. What is that? That looks so fun. And the coasters, they're gonna need a little flood coat because they got a couple of little pits. But look at the white that goes on top. Like, it's almost like a satin finish, and then the glitter pokes through. How crazy is that? Look at that. But I bet if you put a flood coat over it, that would disappear. And that looks awesome. I love that. It almost looks like the flash from this camera is a moon behind clouds. Like it's glowing. It looks great. That's great. So the colors I used is Ice Green by Just Resin. You can't see that, but it is Pearl White by Just Resin. A Pistachio by Resin Art, and Color Passion Base Cell White. And then one of our cradle boards, as you can see, got our custom cut on the bottom. We do sell all these materials on our website, so if you like what you see, go check it out. Buy you some colors, get you some resin. And we did use Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat. Best in the business, y'all. Alright, I hope you enjoy this video. You can go check it out. It's called How I Made This. The video is called Ice Green Marble Part 2. Alright, there you have it. You guys have an awesome day. Be kind to one another. You never know what somebody's going through. And always remember, we do the tests so you don't have to. Bye.